Hello friends, welcome to Pure Delicious. I hope you're doing great today. For the smoky base, we need 8 ounces, about 225 grams smoked sausage. Use any kind you like. Kielbasa for a garlicky bite, spicy andouille or Hungarian smoked sausage for deep, authentic paprika flavor. And if you're going meatless, smoked tofu or golden brown mushrooms, with a pinch of smoked paprika will give you that same bold, savory punch. Before we start cooking, I'm toasting 1 teaspoon caraway seeds. Toast them in a dry pan over medium-low heat for about a minute, stirring or shaking the pan constantly. This wakes them up, bringing out their warm, nutty aroma and making their flavor deeper and more noticeable in the finished dish. Then remove from heat so they don't burn. Heat a little olive oil in a heavy bottom pan over medium heat. Cook sliced sausage until browned and slightly crisp on the edges, about 4 to 5 minutes. One large onion, or 2 smaller ones. Dice finely. Today we're building layers of smoky, tangy, and gently spicy flavors in a Hungarian-inspired cabbage dish. It's rich, hearty, and bursting with flavor. And best of all, it's a one-pan meal, perfect for busy weeknights. Remove the brown sausage. Add a drizzle of oil if needed. Cook the onion over medium heat until softened and lightly golden, about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm so happy to welcome my new subscribers. Thanks for joining me, it means so much to have you here. While the onion softens and turns golden, let's prepare the cabbage. I'm chopping 2 pounds or 900 grams of cabbage into bite-sized pieces. This is the heart of the dish. It'll soak up all the flavors, turning into something so flavorful, you won't believe it started as plain cabbage. I love cabbage because it isn't just budget-friendly, it's low in calories but packed with vitamin C to support your immune system, fiber to keep you full, and antioxidants that are great for overall health. And the best part? As it cooks, it turns naturally sweeter and absorbs every bit of flavor in the pan. Stir the onions to cook evenly. Mince 2 cloves of garlic finely to bring all the flavors out. The smaller the pieces, the faster they release that rich aroma into the pan. Onion has turned slightly golden. Add the minced garlic. Tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Two tablespoons of sweet Hungarian paprika. This gives the dish its rich, vibrant flavor and deep red color without overpowering the other spices. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, to add a gentle heat. And 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds that we toasted earlier. Cook for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly to bloom the spices and release their full flavor and aroma. Add chopped cabbage to the pan. Toss everything well to coat the cabbage evenly with the flavorful spice mixture. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me where you're watching from. Drop your country or city in the comments. It's always amazing to see how these recipes connect with people all around the world. Add salt to your taste. And a pinch of pepper. Pour in 1.5 cups or 360 milliliters chicken or vegetable stock. Stir gently to combine everything. If you don't have stock, use water and a bouillon cube. Now, pop on the lid and reduce the heat to low-medium. Let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes or until cabbage is tender but not mushy. Remove the lid and stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is what brightens the whole dish. We add it near the end so the tang stays fresh and sharp. If you're enjoying this recipe, please give it a like and share it with family and friends who might like it too. That helps more people find the channel, and it keeps me motivated to bring you more tasty recipes. I'm so grateful for your kind support. Now, simmer uncovered for another 3 to 5 minutes to allow flavors to meld and the liquid to reduce slightly. I'm mincing a few fresh sprigs of parsley to sprinkle on top. It adds a bright, fresh finish that balances all the rich, smoky flavors. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, you're welcome to subscribe. And turn on the notifications so you don't miss the future recipes. It's all cooked and looking amazing, with that rich, saucy texture, promising every bite is packed with flavor. Sprinkle the parsley and take it off the stove. This smells so good. I can't wait to try it. Honestly, I wish this AI voice could show my excitement. The cabbage is tender with a slight bite, soaking up smoky, tangy flavors. The sausage adds a rich, meaty depth, while paprika brings warm, sweet spice. Every bite is perfectly balanced, seriously delicious. I hope you try and enjoy it as much as I did. I'm sending you so much love. Take care.